Good morning, welcome back to my channel. It is 11:15. So usually in the mornings I will just make myself a little bit of food and some coffee. I have been drinking so much coffee this quarantine because let me tell you, it has been so hard to stay motivated and like productive. So lots of caffeine. So the other day I was looking in my pantry and I saw some instant coffee. Y'all know what that means. I would say I'm a little bit of a coffee snob. I definitely have preferences and there's certain coffees I won't drink. And now like I became a barista at my school and it's super fun like making all the coffees and stuff, and I feel like now I have some experience with that, which is really fun, but that kind of makes me even more snobby about coffee. So I don't know, but we're gonna see if I like this. I'm really excited because I've literally only seen good things about it. The people who I've seen making it like all have loved it, so high expectations. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm using a mixer because I've seen people try to hand whisk and it never goes as well as planned. So basically everything that I've read, I'm not using any particular recipe because I have read like a million of them. It's supposed to be equal parts coffee and water and sugar. So I'm just measuring out my coffee. Okay, each of these is like almost a tablespoon. Now all I have is cane sugar. Hopefully that works fine. I'm gonna take almost 2 tablespoons of that. Oops. Okay. And now I read you need boiling water. So I'm gonna go ahead and microwave some water. Savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what's happening? I'm a savage. Now I have my boiling water. And I'm gonna use the same spoon and take 2 spoons of that. Here's what we've got. It smells burnt, which can't be a good sign, but I'm locking this onto my mixer now. Okay, so I think it's done now. It's a lot lighter in color and a lot thicker in consistency. Look at that, so beautiful. Okay, so I have my regular cold brew. In the off chance that this doesn't work, Sophia won't go uncaffeinated. But in this one, I have my ice. So you're supposed to put ice and then milk. I'm using this, which is lactose-free milk. I'm trying to limit the amount of dairy milk I use, but I am living at home again, so I don't get to make those decisions. And at the moment, we don't have any dairy-free milk, so we're using Clover Sonoma lactose-free. I don't really know how much to put. I'm gonna guess that's fine. Okay, here is what we have. It smells really strong, which I have high hopes for. I guess you just put it like in the top. I want you guys to be able to see. I don't know where to put you. Okay, so I want to try like just the whipped part. Ooh, wow. That's really good, but really, really strong. I definitely put too much milk in mine, so I'm curious to see how it goes. Glass straw now. That's right, we love sea turtles. But wow, it's really good. Really good. I highly recommend this. Okay, well, I guess that's it for this video. I know it was pretty short, but I have to go do school stuff now, so catch you on the flip side. Thanks for watching. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. That's all I've got for you, and I'll see you soon.